Hi Arti, so good to have you and to speak with us, especially post an enriching session which the IAA has in association with Google. First of the many to come, but how was the session today and how do you think it will help you and your organization going ahead?
Hi, Cheryl. Thank you so much. The session was great, very insightful, engaging conversation. There were so many brilliant mind here, asking relevant question. I had so many questions, and I'm so glad that because everyone kept asking, we got such great insight. And yes, it's been a pleasure listening to Google DeepMind. We read up a lot, we listen to a lot of podcasts, but hearing directly from Dr. Manish Gupta, it was great. I mean, understanding what goes behind all this Google, Gemini, and so many things that DeepMind does. It was fascinating. So totally enjoyed it. Um, for my organization, there was a great session by Mansi too, and as an organization, we are all trying to use AI as much as possible. Some of the things that she spoke about is something which we are also trying. We're continuously trying. Some of it is hugely successful. Some of it is what we're failing. But one thing that I've understood for AI and being part of so many such conversation and just love to have such conversation is in case of AI, the only way to understand is to use it. You have to take a deep dive. It's like, swimming, you have to jump into the pool to kind of finally understand how to swim. It's exactly like that. Use it and you'll keep learning. So it's a vast world, it's a new world, it's a fascinating world. And that's something which probably for me, it's a takeaway for the organization to keep using it, not just for marketing, but even every step of the way, everything that we do, just keep using it.
So basically, you will look at AI as a co-partner. Uh,
Very well put. Very well put. That it is something which, as an assistant or as a partner or whatever, but yeah, you have to just keep using it and figure out the way. I mean, there's so much to understand, so much to learn. Very exciting.
all right, thank you so much, Arti, for joining us. And